The exercises for beginners together with Dr. Anita. Easy. Part 3. I continue. Lying on your back, knees bent, feet supported. Hands on the abdomen. Diaphragmatic breathing. Inhale for 2 seconds, the abdomen as a ball. Exhale 4 seconds, flat abdomen. Pause. Repeat twice. Lift the right leg vertically, knee stretched. Movement of the right foot to yourself and from yourself twice in the both directions. Turn the right foot inside 4 times, then outside 4 times. The same with the left leg and the left foot. Lift the right leg vertically, knee stretched. Movement of the right foot to yourself and from yourself twice in the both directions. Turn the right foot inside 4 times, then outside 4 times. Lift the left leg vertically, knee stretched. Movement of the left foot to yourself and from yourself twice. Turn the left foot inside 4 times and then outside 4 times. Diaphragmatic breathing twice. Hands on the head. Look at your hands for 2 seconds. Then look on your feet. Then hands are parallel with the body for 2 seconds. Then repeat all 4 times. Pillow between the hands. Hands above the chest and pressed pillow. Then you don't press and move your hands up. And continue to do as before. And until your head is reached. Then continue down. Then you repeat everything while abdomen is reached. Pillow between the hands, your hands above the chest, elbows bent, stretch the hands vertically up, then the hands in starting position, the elbows are bent, and repeat 5 times. Pillow between the hands, elbows bent, make a large circle with the hands to the left side 5 times, to the right side 5 times. The knees bent, the pillow between them, pelvis is lift up, tighten gluteal muscles, then starting position and repeat 5 times. The wrists bent, the arms parallel to the body, bend and straighten the elbows, repeat 5 times. The elbows bent, supported and fixed, the forearms vertically, move the forearms to the side, then in the starting position and repeat 5 times. Relax your hands, the knees bent, the right leg straight vertically, the heel is leading, then bend your right knee and support your right foot on the surface. Repeat 5 times. The left leg straight vertically, the heel is leading, then bend your left knee and support your left foot on surface. Repeat 5 times. And now diaphragmatic breathing. The first option, the both hands on the abdomen, repeat twice, then the hands on the chest, repeat twice. Was the exercises easy? I hope it was. What about me? It was not easy for me because I still learn English, but English isn't my native language. I will continue, and please be healthy, happy, strong and slim with my exercises. Till next time.